our DEI hire for the weekend. Our DEI intern. Intern Naj here, bro.
Yeah, man, we here, bro.
Yeah, you got your notepad? You taking notes?
Nah, it's all mental.
Oh, okay. This nigga not gonna retain shit.
Huh?
This nigga.
How you feeling today, bro?
Life is good. Look at it.
This shit's beautiful, bro. Amazing.
Halluciné vers les étoiles, voir les yeux de la déesse. I don't wanna wake
We outside, bro.
Get outside, bro.
Intern, why aren't you recording?
Oh, my fault.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, bro.
Straight ahead.
Well, you don't care.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Man, so far, she has no problems with the big dog. Or like, you just had to change the diet or what was it? I gotta bring a lot of the diet and bring a lot of. I'm not paying nothing. Yep.
I found it.
And then you put the. You been waiting? Is this the one you been waiting on using? You're supposed to use that. Look like it. You never heard that word, Nick?
Three y'all were asked.
Right. What were y'all? Oh.
So you gonna
The first one or second one?
do the bottom.
I'm feeling like doing 4x4 right now.
It just needs to start raining.
Oh, yeah, right?
It be raining every time you go.
Look at. Some cows, and I was like, damn, those some small baby cows. He goes, yeah, so I want you to think about it. Every time you ask for them lamb chops, that's what you're eating. I was a little nervous when they were sitting like that. Yo, am I supposed to be holding this?
Yes, nigga, down.
Yo.
You can't follow no fucking direct. I thought you was in the military.
Bro.
All you do is take orders, bro.
Fucking army
Then
shit.
us in the Navy.
Can I just say like this much?
Like, you gotta fly away tonight, bro.
Not with these things though.
Oh my. Well, you got it.
Leo, come here.
That's cool. Hey, North Face.
North Face gang. Where are you from? We don't shit like that, I'll tell you that.
If you need them.
You're a Darian guy.
You want the chair?
Due to his little size.
Four.
Yeah, I just sat there for like 30 minutes doing my shit.
You gonna enter the country?
Yeah, that's what Filipino. Y'all want to scroll up? Shit on there recently, bro. Yeah. What you sniping?
No, I need to
That's
make
crazy.
sure.
With my one?
Cause like,
It's like, I don't know. Cheers, brother. Thanks for coming, bro. Here, you want one?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Yeah, I just got this.
Appreciate you.
Got a freshie for the boy.
Hell yeah.
Freshie for the boy.
But like platinums.
They used to have way cooler bottles, bro.
Oh,
Like the bottle was like,
The glass joints.
yeah,
is
bro.
good.
It had like that, like, yeah, the plastic. And I think it's what is it, 5.6%?
These joints get you hit too.
Yeah, they do.
I remember getting a 6-pack of these.
That 1% hits so much harder,
Hey,
bro.
dude, by the end of that 6-pack, you're hit.
I really fucking scraped my knee, bro. How fucking old am I, bro? Nah, I just wiped it down with the alcohol pad.
I wish I recorded that earlier. That shit got me weak as fuck.
Watch your step, all right? Watch your step.
Bumped his knee.
I bumped my knee. Now look at me. I'm a goofy. I'm a goofball.
Fell off his bike. Took the training wheels off today.
You should have seen how big that hill was, though.
No, because no, hold on. But the thing about Friday is that even though you do work, you can have a whole day. Plans on a Friday and no plans on a Saturday. Like if you like are going like if you're comparing them, right? You don't got shit to do either day. I'm taking the Friday. Because like I get off work and I'm like, damn, like the world is my oyster.
I will say that because, yeah, I like that.
I could go out. I can chill all night. I can hop on some P5. I can go wing my. You know what I'm saying?
I think you have like so much dopamine built up.
Exactly.
Right
From-
after
from the
5
week.
p.m. on Friday.
Yeah.
That's why you're fucking.
I can fry their egg and
this was delicious.
I didn't add shit to it either.
Something insane, bro. Stop insane.
Like they were capping.
So you didn't say.
Oh my god, I thought you were about to lose a link.
He's about to catch you with his
He is, bro.
Yeah, we need these motherfuckers to crisp up a bit.
Yeah, brother, you should have put it back in that joint. The oil, the grease on the what's called would have fried it up more.
I put mad oil, well not mad oil, but you know, I was gonna cook the sausage first, but we have Noah here, so I'm trying to be courteous. Of course.
Make some shit sizzle, nigga.
This shit sizzling.
Hey, know what?
You want some potatoes? We're making eggs and potatoes over there too.
Is the eggs ready?
Noah's cooking them right now.
I'm sorry, no, I gotta do better with getting fucking beef bacon
That shit is hard to find.
for my halal brothers. Oh shit.
Show popping.
Yeah, bro, I'm not trying to end up like Rhea.
Yeah, he knows. Scrambled eggs, off heat, on heat. You get the prep free.
Bro, the scrambled eggs on a steel pan will actually burn in a second.
Yeah, bro.
One bite. Everybody knows the rules. One bite only. Eggs, potatoes.
What the fuck is he eating first?
What is, yeah, why are you taste testing? Nigga ain't no critic.
They took your tortilla and everything. These guys know how to make a really, really good egg.
Oh yeah.
The potatoes are really good, very moist, but also have a nice crunch to the top. What'd you put on that? Any seasoning? Anything special?
Some salt, some garlic powder, some pepper.
The egg is really fluffy.
Yeah.
Alright, I need to save the rest of the meal.
10 out of 10.
You want to start the eggs in here and scramble them in here?
I wish there was some sauce.
Yeah.
Bro,
If they had a sauce, it's not their fault. It's really my fault. That's what I like. I still
I like them all and put them all in one thing.
hot sauce. Oh, hot sauce on this with bacon.
Yeah, bro.
I'll give it a 9.
You
You're
guys are on a
right.
flat
9.
surface, bro. Oh!
Probably throw it up.
I'm not gonna lie. You good, bro? Sun's setting what? Like over there?
Yeah, bro. On the way here, my engine light came on, dude. It said a camshaft sensor.
Camshaft.
And I literally couldn't drive over 50 miles an hour.
Oh, damn. Is it still like that right now?
Nah, it went away.
Shit, bro. That means, yeah, your sensor's going out, bro. Looking like, and then it also tells you the same thing, like are you like tilted, are you slanted, are you, you know? I forget the. This is pretty calm.
Yeah, and people can park up here too.
Maybe you should park up there.
I need you to be mine again, baby. Hey, I know this lifestyle is driving you crazy. Hey, and I cannot see myself without you.
I'm out.
Oh fuck, they saw me, bro. Hold on. Peep. They saw, bro.
They not fucking with us.
Nah, bro. They anti-aura for me. Anti-aura for me. Hey, clip my man Naj real quick.
What's going on?
You see
Shout
it?
out Naj.
Sergeant Naj right here.
Sergeant.
Corporal Naj.
Ruined it just like that.
Nigga, these are kind of OG. What are these?
You gotta do it for the
You trying to take over? You see it? See the line?
What you trying to catch?
Trout.
Niggas always got some shit to say.
Ah! Like right there, you just got. Hey, look, you just got caught. Look, get the camera.
Chill.
4K, bro.
4K. We'll edit
Get around
that.
this
We'll edit
play,
that one
play
out.
yourself.
Alright, let me.
That was Tyga, right?
What?
That was Tyga?
Yeah.
I never heard Tyga.
That was this is like when I first downloaded Spotify type shit.
I see my vision, I put down a cup. I see my vision, I put down a cup. I don't want your girl, I just want that nut. Took me some time, I wanted to quit so bad. I'm strong, I'm not giving up. I'm popping tags on tags, new bitch so bad. Upgrade, yeah, I level up.
You were saying?
I love all.
Yeah, he hit you with that Drake shit. Just like Phantom, my song.
So take me, I'm yours.
360 view.
Look, you see them all right
Those little ones, you need like a worm.
There you go. This is like fish, like number 6 maybe?
That's what I'm saying.
This is it.
What is it, Tom?
Shit, I forgot what it was called. It's a beetle spin.
It's the same one.
Oh.
Y'all about to kill him.
Done.
Same motherfucker.
What we got? A little one?
Yeah, damn.
He's scared as fuck.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Hey, how was he last night, Ned, when he saw the deer look at him?
Another one?
She out the car?
And another one.
I got motion.
Yes, sir. Little babies.
Alright, put that nigga back in the water before you kill it. See, I can keep. Did you just drop him? Bro, drop the fish. It's somewhere it can't escape.
Propane die?
Yeah, they're both done.
You want to see me bite it? Hey, take a culinary bite. On the border.
Supposed to have a kick to it.
Right on the border of being too OD.
Shit, we just have right now.
I'll cut down on the peppers this round. If you want. Yeah, I'll make it less spicy. You know. Appreciate it.
Yo, Frank, can you actually pass me the plate with the base? I ain't trying to say I'm weak,
All right, the next one won't be spicy.
but I ain't really that strong. You feel me?
You could adjust it down.
Oh no, do you okay?
No, I mean I have all that. It's spicy, so yeah, I'll eat it.
Yeah, that one had a back blowing out and the front blowing.
Smart white nigga was
That was one of my favorite lines.
He went to Stanford.
No, he didn't. He went to Boston College here for a little bit. So we just had a pretty sweet weekend. We're in Jess Judy out in the Monongahela. Circled back. This is round 2. Shout out to Minor. He put us on with this spot, and we're making it like a every year thing. 420 weekend, Earth Day weekend, we come out here. And yeah, it's been beautiful. The weather's been pretty nice. Really windy, but for the most part, it's beautiful. Like right now, perfect weather. Yesterday, we fished for like the whole day, caught some stuff. Still on the hunt for some trout though. We're about to get a catch and cook. We're trying. But yeah, for today, we're just laid back. It's Sunday. We got some things cooking up for the summer. So there is a new trail, a Jeep Badge of Honor trail that just came out. We're probably gonna go head there. It's in Maryland. That's probably gonna come up in like a month or 2. We're about to try some new stuff out. And yeah, keep y'all posted on that. Oh, also we got Camp of Friends, our 3rd annual KO Camp of Friends. We're gonna send out a flyer, everybody come out. Anybody new, feel free, hit us up. You can come with us, it's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be really cool. Hopefully it's not too hot this year, but yeah, we're gonna definitely circle back and do that again. So yeah, keep an eye out on that on our IG. Possibly merch too. We're working on tees, and I'm trying to come out with some cool bucket hats for the summertime. I'm gonna cook that up and we're gonna let y'all know. We're gonna make a post for that. So keep an eye out on that too. But yeah, for the most part, this trip's over with. We're about to just get our fish on it and just relax for the remainder of this day. Sleep, and then we out of here tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see you next time. I just see the fish right here. Just drop it. Try to drop it like right in front of us. Right there. Gotta keep it still, bro. Dude, he was moving towards it. Oh my God, you. Nick,
Grab him.
Yo, pull it. Make sure
Grab him. Grab him. Pull it.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
Bro, you did that. You did that.
So now you're just pulling him?
Damn. Bro. Oh, hold on. Everyone stop moving.
Okay, don't fuck with
Me either. Are we gonna eat it?
Yeah, what kind of fish is it?
I don't know. Damn. So you gotta yank that bitch, bro.
You can't pull it
That's
out?
how my
Okay, you
daddy
got
be
it.
doing it.
Oh shit, you are. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Damn, we got this.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, B, put it on your forearm. Put it on your forearm. There we go. Yeah. Bye, little guy. Whee!
This one?
Nope.
Oh, he's dead.
No.
He's dead.
Move him around a little bit.
Cook. Push him.
Push him.
Move him around a little bit.
He's dead. Oh my God, we killed the. Oh no, he's drinking the water. Push him in further, deeper water. Oh my God, y'all. Put him in deeper water. Push him.
There he goes. There he goes. He's good.
I see your butt crack.
Beauty of life.
Yo, I did that.
Your ass crack.
You fucking
God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
My dad would be proud of me.
Yo, good shit.
Daddy!
That is so amazing, actually.
I did that, dog. Like I fucking caught.
Fish, bro.
On your
Yo,
fur.
that's exhilarating.
That's awesome.
I think I like this. I think I like this like football. I never knew I liked fishing.
Dang, while doing
Good
it,
shit, bro.
Yo.
you're gonna see.